The best bra hanger organizers. Bras need special care and maintenance for long-lasting use. So, here's a list of the best bra hanger organizers to help you out. These hangers are convenient and space-saving, allowing you to store your bras easily. Most of them are made of durable steel or aluminum, which doesn't break or bend easily, and are snag-free to prevent damage. These hangers offer unique features, such as multiple hooks, clip holders, foldable design, 360-degree swivel rod, and more. So, check out our list to learn more and choose the right design for your closet. Number 1. Dr. Organizer Steel Closet Organizer Hangers. The multi-purpose hanger organizer by Dr. Organizer works well for your tank tops, bras, swimsuits, or delicate garments. It is constructed from rust-resistant to epoxy-coated steel and comes in a pack of 3 for extensive use. The innovative design of this 8-in-1 hanger can increase your closet's capacity. It has a sleek, durable design, and you can use it to hang dry your clothes, especially swimsuits. 100% steel. These sleek, compact multi-hanger organizers hold up to 24 hangers worth of clothes. Dr. Organizer makes decluttering your closet easier than ever, getting you comfortable by keeping your space organized. Long-lasting, constructed with rust-resistant powder-coated steel, this organizer is durable and built to last. Quickly hang dry tops, swimsuits, or delicate garments with these trusted closet hangers. With an improved ultra-thin design, it's even easier to place and remove garments. Number 2. Niclogi Bra Hangers. Durable and space-saving, this bra hanger from Niclogi can store bathing suits, tank tops, or bras. It comes in packs of 2, and each hanger can hold up to 8 pieces at a time. Each hook has a rounded rubber edge to protect your clothes from getting torn. It also features a 360-degree swivel hook for enhanced accessibility. You can fold these hangers when not in use to save space. This hanger can hold at least 8 tank tops, camisoles, or bras. After using it, like magic, your tank top, camisoles, bras will be organized and not get tangled. You will see a tiny closet and you have a new room to buy some new clothes. This hanger can help you organize your closet according to different types, easily see each of your clothes, and easily take it off. Perfect suit for those who have small closets or other limited spaces. We offer a 100% satisfaction guarantee to every customer. Number 3. Caxxa Bronze Women's Bra Hanger. Caxxa's unique steel hanger has a bronze powder coating for long-lasting use. It is an 8-in-1 hanger that takes around 3 inches of space in your closet. Available in a pack of 2, you can use it for multiple items, including bras, camisoles, ties, purses, tank tops, and more. Sleek and slim in design, this space-saving hanger is one of the best bra hanger organizers. Remarkable construction with all our products, we only use the best. Our bra hangers are made of steel with a power coating to keep the hanger long-lasting. Don't be afraid, use it for a lifetime. Exceptional durability. We love it when our products last as long as they can. We don't believe in a one-year product. We design and manufacture all our products to withstand time. Number 4. Whitmor Accessory Hanger. Constructed from durable chrome steel, these hangers from Whitmor have a sleek and compact design to hold up to 10 accessories. It features a 360-degree swivel rod for easy accessibility, and each hook is secured with vinyl tips to protect the clothes from damage. Measuring 1.75 by 14.38 by 6.63 inches, the hanger is designed with practicality, simplicity, and flexibility in mind. Whitmor's hook hanger holds 10 belts or ties. This chrome rack is all you need to keep your ties, belts, or scarves organized. Black vinyl tips on the hooks eliminate any pulls or damages. For over 70 years, Whitmor has been bringing organization home. If you have questions or problems, please contact us for immediate assistance. Number 5. Gyrlie Cup Hanger Bra Organizer. A simple design with minimal features, the Gyrlie Cup Hanger is a space-saving bra hanger for the closet that can hold up to 25 bras at a time. The U-shaped cup holder is made from durable metal and silver coating for long-lasting use. Its compact design allows you to stack the bras comfortably for easy accessibility. The hanger has a 360-degree rotatable hook for convenience and helps maintain the cup shape. Bra organizers and storage are perfect for the woman who has it all. This bra holder is an ideal gift, reminds the recipient of the giver every time she wears a bra. Our sturdy bra hanger is a neutral chrome color. Whether you choose to use it as a bra holder organizer or save space in the closet, it will make those untidy bras fall into order. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much easier.